In Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, on January 14th, 56-year-old Christopher Casey fatally stabbed 62-year-old Robert Wallace, who lived next door in a duplex and shared a common wall. Wallace had been unable to sleep due to Casey's loud snoring, and that night pushed in the first floor window and threatened to kill Casey over his snoring. That's when Casey stabbed him. Casey was sentenced to 11.5 to 23 months in county jail, followed by 3 years of probation after pleading guilty to manslaughter charges. He will be freed after 8.5 months, and with time served, will be released in 1 month.